Hey guys, how's it going? My Facebook friend down in Texas, Dan Brewster, just stopped by ZYLTECH a few days ago to check out the company, and guess what? They hooked me up with 2 rolls of filament. I've got marble and I've got rainbow to check out. I guess it's two new types they came out with, and I'm going to print up some goodies and show you guys and see how it does. In the paper here, it talks about the printing temperature being anywhere from 180 to 220. Well, typically all filaments I print at 210 on my Ender 3s, my CR10, and my TiVos, so we're going to try it out and see how it goes. Show you the filament. Get a close-up here. Here's their marble. It's kind of hard to see, but it's basically white with a bunch of gray specks in it. It looks really nice. Nice spool, nice package, condensing pack in there. See the rainbow. Wow, got some pretty colors on the rainbow. Check this out. Rainbow looks really nice. Packaged very well. Hope it does color changes fairly quick, because I have had filament that you'll print forever. You got to put a ton of infill in to get it to do a proper color change. Aria is much better at that than some other companies I've tried, but now let's try out ZYLTECH and see how it does. Let me roll my intro and we'll get going here. Stay tuned. Let me pronounce that properly. It's desiccant silica gel packs. I keep pronouncing it wrong. And now that I've got the PLA out of its package, let's take a better look at it. Check out those colors. We're starting off with kind of a purplish turquoise blue. Man, that looks good. Very, very nice. And the marble looks very nice, very nice. Let's print some goodies. Well, I've been doing a few days of printing now, and I've got all wrapped up on everything. One thing I was concerned with when I unwrapped the ZYLTECH filament out of its plastic is that it wasn't wound really tight on the very end strand, say the first 5 or 10 feet, wasn't wound really tight, and I was concerned that I might have some tangles, but I didn't. Everything went fine. Some of the PLA, most of the PLA I get is wound really tight all the way to the end where it's locked into the spool, and this was a little bit loose, but I had no issues whatsoever with it in printing. And I'd like to show you some of the things I got done here. Out of the marble PLA, I've got the 3 wise skulls, and this I printed this on my TiVo Tarantula Pro, and it came out really nice. And then I have a Gadget Candy Dish here by Fragments. All these files can be found on Thingiverse, and in the description below the video I'll post links to every one of these. Looks very nice. An Inspector Gadget, and that's also printed in a white marble PLA, or marble PLA. Then I have Aria the Dragon printed in rainbow. I printed this on my Ender 3, and as you can see, it got up about yay high on the wings, and my extruder was clicking a little bit, and then it was printing in midair, but it continued to print. So why I had a minor glitch, I'm not sure. So I stopped the print, restarted it, and second time's a charm. It came out perfect the second time. It has a real nice gradual color change there. Looks really nice. This is called Aria the Dragon. Then I have a rainbow blossom base. This also came off Thingiverse. Starts out in kind of a purple, and it goes into like a bluish turquoise. Came out very nice. Whenever I print a vase, I do not use vase mode. I don't like it 1 layer thick, and you know, it's a lot quicker, but everything's very thick, very thin. And this is quite a bit heavier. My layers on this, I believe, were 5 and 4. And of course 0 top layers, and with 0 infill, so you know it's hollow. And then here's the gem. Here's a skull mask. This came out really nice. It's got an awesome color change here. The layers on this were 6x4, and I sliced everything with S3D. Came out very nice. Got kind of a purple and a turquoise and a green, and it goes into kind of a green, a light green, and then a yellow. Came out great. anyway, all these files, guys, can be found on Thingiverse. And what do I think of ZYLTECH Rainbow and Marble? Hey, I have no problem with it. It prints great. It's a great filament. I highly recommend it to anybody that wants to try it out. I think it's 2 new colors it just came out with. And in the description below the video, like I said, I'll have links to everything. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.